So we are going to learn communication through technology, and we are going to start today with email, cell phones, video conferencing, and blog writing. Textbook page number 10, electronic modes of communication. The first one is cell phones. First one is what? So cell phones, everyone here knows what is meant by cell phones. I think there is no any definition is given. Then I will say any electronic device which can help you to communicate with opposite party through message, through telephonic call. Even now with the help of internet, using cell phone, you can do video conferences, you can share and receive the documents, various files, various important documents. Everything can be exchanged with convenient. Even any videos, songs can be shared electronically. You can share the various links which are available on the internet to the other party if the data is too large. No need of sharing directly. You can share that link where it is available. Yes or no? Using that link, clicking that link, you can see whatever you want. Yes or no? Now even with cell phones, many works of paying various bills, doing online transactions, online shopping is possible with the help of cell phone and good internet connection. Yes or no? The cell phone concept was new 10 years back, but now it is really ordinary one. It's not as new as it is given in your textbook. Yes or no? Then too, without cell phone, your many work cannot be completed in today's modern situation. Yes or no? You are getting what I am saying is? So cellular phones, are popularly known as cell phones, are the most sought after gadget nowadays. It is the most sold and purchased gadget, electronic gadget. You get variety of cell phones. Cell phones not only help in communicating with each other, but also records your video. It helps in taking the photographs. It helps in saving the many memories, many files. You can do surfing using cell phone, using any Google or any other platform available. Yes or no? Haya na? You can complete your assignments. You can share the various documents with the help of cell phones. You can listen online music, you can see movies, various entertainment things can be done through cell phone. You can play games using applications, you can play online games using cell phone. So various entertainment options are available in cellular phone. You can learn many things from cell phone. You can start any YouTube video or something and you can start learning music, dancing, cooking, whatever you want to do. You can do using that cell phone. And the most convenient part of cell phone is it is movable. Wherever you go, it will be with you. So it is also known as mobile, because we can move from one place to another very easily. Yes or no? Even the cellular network are now available all over the India, all over the world. So roaming free. Even wherever you go, your cellular network is with you. Earlier, the roaming charges were too high. So people used to not carry cell phones with them because the charges were too high. But now, the roaming charges are almost free. And you can easily carry wherever you go. Within state, out of country, wherever you want. You can carry your cell phone. And fine, your cellular network is not available, but you get some internet connection from someone or Wi-Fi. You can even use your cell phone at that place also if you have an internet connection option. You are getting what I am saying is? So now we will read everyone 1, 2, 3 start. Cellular phones are popular known as cell phones are the most sought after communication technology has tremendous development in the last 3 decades. In the past, we used to letters, but cell phones have made it very easy to be touched with the world from anywhere. See, earlier how we used to communicate, we used to use the wired telephones, you know. ટેલિફોન ઘરમાં હોય સ્વીચ એને વાયર કનેક્ટ કરેલો જે ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી એકબીજાથી કનેક્ટેડ હોય યસ ઓર નો ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટીના મીટરમાં કેમ બધાને ઘરે ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી મીટર છે તો વાયર મેઇન વાયરમાંથી ન્યા આવે એ મેઇન ટેલિફોન લાઈનમાંથી લાઈન ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટ કરવામાં આવતી ન સમજાય યસ ઓર નો હમણાં નહીં ખ્યાલ પહેલાના હવે તો બધા people think શું કામ ટેલિફોન લેવાનું instead of telephone ઘર માટે પણ we can keep one mobile ઘરની બધા વ્યક્તિ બહાર જશે તો મોબાઈલ પણ સાથે મૂવ થઈ શકશે yes or no and communication માં easy રહેશે yes or no so earlier આજથી 15 20 25 વર્ષ પહેલા ટેલિફોન was really important PCO હતા બહાર STD PCO because લેટર લખવાનો જમાનો તો પહેલા જ હોય STD PCO આવ્યા પછી coin box વાળા ફોન આવ્યા yes or no જગ્યાએ જગ્યાએ you get the telephone codes you have to insert the coin you have to dial the number wherever you want to call ઈ પણ ઘણો સમય ચાલ્યા yes or no and it was very easy and convenient ગમે ત્યારે તમે જઈને વાતચીત કરી શકો પણ એના પછી લેટેસ્ટ ફોર્મ આવી ગયું what earlier મને જે બચ્ચો હતો ત્યારે યાદ છે નોકિયાનો ફોન આવ્યો 3310 સ્નેકની ગેમ હતી અને એમાં એક જ વસ્તુ હતી ફોન રિસીવ કરો ફોન કરી શકો આપણે ધેટ વોઝ ધ ઓપ્શન ગિવન ધેન મેસેજિંગ વોઝ ધી અનધર ઓપ્શન ઇન્ટરનેટ એટલું પોપ્યુલર ઈ ટાઈમમાં હતું નહીં આફ્ટર ઇન્ટરનેટ ધ યુઝ ઓફ સેલ ફોન વોઝ વાઇડન there was a time when person used to get only 512 MB or 1 GB for whole month એમાં બી ઇન્ટરનેટ બચતું લોકોનું યુઝ હતો now 2 GB is also not sufficient every day you are seeing the changes એનાથી તમને ખબર પડી છે ઇન્ટરનેટનો વપરાશ કેટલો hardly you will find any home without internet nowadays internet કેમ હોય મોબાઈલ હોય એટલે ઇન્ટરનેટ એમાં ફરજિયાત આવી જ જાય છે hardly confirm everyone so electronic mode of communication so since the late 90s cell phones has gone from being luxury to a necessity now cell phone is not luxurious item it is a necessity when we wake up we first thing we check is our cell phone when we are going for a sleep last thing we check is cell phone cell phone not only provides communication system not only helps in communicating with each other but it becomes alarm whenever you feel like it will give you wake up call too yes or no it can help you in seeing the various world watches it has stopwatch facility it has various applications which you can download on cell phone and you can do whatever things you can read the books online you can download the books and keep it with you whenever you are free you can read there are various things no it is not only used for entertainment purpose it can even used for the educational purpose see in corona times we were recording lectures through our cell phones we were uploading our lectures using cell phones on YouTube and you all were maximum students were seeing the videos online using cell phones no doubt you can even watch in your laptop and computer but even in your cell phone you can see the same video yes or no for completing your assignments you can use your cell phones for finding many information from the internet while doing surfing? Yes or no? Many online document process, online passport service, online examinations of various courses, everything is now connected to internet, and maximum people now, instead of using laptops, they even use what? Cell phone. You can do mobile banking with the help of cell phones. You can download the bank application and you can transfer the money, you can receive the money, that is e-banking services. You can use, there are various applications available, Paytm, GPay, MobiWing, there are n number of ePay, various applications which help you to transfer money from one device to another device. You are getting what I am saying is how cell phone is now our part and parcel of our life. If your internet connection or your mobile validity is over, immediately you recharge your mobile. You cannot even stay for 24 hours also, many times, because it has become our necessity. And with the Android phone invention, the use of WhatsApp has emerged at a large scale. Here anyone is there who has never used any messaging system or video call system of WhatsApp? They have never seen what is WhatsApp. Is there any person? It has become the part of our life. So even communication through technology, one application here, it should be even WhatsApp or message or social media platforms. Even Twitter, Google, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. There are various other social media platforms available which also helps you to communicate. I yesterday said about Skype application for video call. Now maximum platforms are giving video call options. You are getting what I am saying is? So cell phones today have capability of performing many tasks that we discussed recently. What cell phone can do? Yes or no? You can access internet, write emails, send documents. Good communication is the key to success of modern business. Cell phones enable you to contact with clients across the globe. See, I am manufacturing one product, and if I keep online selling of that product, I can reach to the whole world. Whoever wants that good, they might be searching, they may get my address, they can contact me, and I can sell them. I can send them by a courier or something. Yes or no? Cell phone performs the multitask activities. It is not that cell phone performs only one task. There are many functions which are inbuilt, and many functions you can perform while downloading various applications. Even for your physical fitness, there are various applications available. If you want to consult doctor, there are various applications available. You can even contact doctors, lawyers, engineers online through various applications available on the Android platforms. In each and every Android phone, you get Play Store. Yes or no? Play Store. It is inbuilt in for permanent application. From that, you can download whatever kind of application you want. And even in your education career, you can use that thing. What I am saying is, or not? Confirm? So now 10 advantages are given. Cell phone helps you in improving our customer service network of an organization. Then read second one. It helps you stay connected with the office, customers and suppliers even when you are out of office. See, even with your office customers, see, I am not at my place, I am not at my shop, I am not at my office. Even with the help of cell phone, I can guide them, I can give the solutions. Now in Corona times, maximum employees were working from work from home. So they were working on laptop or computers, and whenever they feel like some doubt or some query, They use what? Directly they contact their boss, or even boss contact their employees. Yes or no?
Yes.
And you know what is the time is saved lot. Suppose I am a dealer in clothes and I used to go to Surat market for buying various types of clothes available. I have to go, I have to select, and then I have to return. It may take 2-3 days when I go for that thing. But now with the help of cell phone, the sellers sell their photos and videos to me, price range they sell. I see the things, whichever I like, I order them, they send directly via courier or transport. Yes or no? Earlier this was not possible because easily photos were not able to be exchanged. So that facility is available, and within a fraction of seconds you can click and you can send, click, send, click, send, and even the opponent person receive at the same time. It doesn't take a long time to send or receive. પહેલાના જમાનામાં પેમેન્ટ લેવા માટે જવું હોય તો લાંબી માથાકૂટ થતી. હવે now you have to queue for transfer online. પહેલા તો ક્યારેક જાય આજે પૈસા નથી, નામ નથી, તેમ નથી ને ઘણી વાર પૈસા હોય તો તમે લેવા ના આવ્યા. now no one can give such reason. use okay આજે નથી ક્યારે પાસે પરમ દિવસ day after tomorrow again you call. શું થયું ભાઈ? મોકલો. yes or no? ઘણા બધા કામ કન્વીનિયન્ટ થઈ ગયા. we are not ready. હા કે ના? confirm. Third point, it increase of course mobility. You can take from one place to another. Next, I said time बचे, पैसा बचे, एनर्जी बचे तो तुम्हारी ऑटोमेटिकली प्रोडक्टिविटी पण इंप्रूव થઈ જાય. Next, it allows people to work from home or away. One in the see corona times માં જે અમદાવાદ, રાજકોટ, મુંબઈ કામ કરતા હતા એ લોકોને ખબર પડી નથી. So they came at home and they were working from home. Many my friends who were going regularly to office, still they are working in Mumbai and work from home. Still many offices are not started, and they are saying now maximum office will be not starting again. Reason is offices ने बहुत high rent भरवा पड़े मोटे-मोटी cities में. So if employee work from home, their fixed cost is reduced. Whatever productivity they want, they are getting from work from home concept. They will be definitely what? They will be, if see you want something and you are achieving directly or indirectly, you will not feel anything, right? Whatever you want, you are getting, right? Whether you got directly or indirectly, your work is done. So boss or the employer wants their work to be done, whether they work from office or whether they work from home. What is the matter? And if the employees are working from home, the fixed cost is reduced. No electricity expenses, no rent charges, no tea expenses. Yes or no? No lunch expenses, and no tension whether employee. Many times it happens when employees are also like students. When they are in mood, they work properly. When they are not in mood, they may not work. So, જેમ અમે તમને ઘણી ઘણી અવેર કરીને ભાઈ ક્લાસમાં બેઠા છો એમ એમ્પ્લોયર ને પણ ભાઈ ઓફિસમાં છો એવું કરવું પડે. યસ ઓર નો? પણ આ પ્રશ્ન જ ના રહે. પછી એને ઘરે બોસ એને ટાસ્ક આપી દે, આજનો ટાસ્ક આ છે, પછી એ એમ્પ્લોય 2 કલાકમાં કરે કે 12 કલાકમાં કરે, કોનો લુકઆઉટ છે? એમ્પ્લોયર છે. મને આ ટાઈમ સુધી હડતા મારતું. પછી ઘણા એમ્પ્લોય તો ભલે ને ફરતા હોય અડધો દિવસ, એનાથી મતલબ જ ઘણા એમ્પ્લોયને ભાઈ બહેન આગળ મદદ કરે, એનો મતલબ જ પગાર તો એકને જ દેવાનો છે. યસ ઓર નો? નો સમજો. નેક્સ્ટ, it allows people, okay, it allows you to do video calling through application. આ તો બહુ જૂના છે, એના પછી કેટલાય નવા આવી ગયા. WhatsApp, Skype તો આપણે ડિસ્કસ કર્યા. નેક્સ્ટ, Cell phone is very useful gadget to organize activities. There are programs software that allows owners to organize and schedule their day in order to maintain productivity, meet goals and yes, તમારી deadlines ને બધું achieve કરી શકો. Cell phone is compact device that stores important information like contact name, phone numbers. Cell phone is a compact device. It is what? Next, cell phones allow physical stress. See, many times you તમને કોઈ ફીલ એનો રૂબરૂ મળવું અને એનો ફોનમાં વાત. Which will you will prefer? Physical stress also થઈ જાય. Yes or no? Yes. Next, cell phones allow people to keep in touch with one another without physical stress with a simple touch of button. You can contact any person in your phone book. Not necessary તમારી પાસે જે contact number phone book માં એને જ contact કરી શકો. Even random numbers will you can try. Next is you can scan important document and send them to anybody in any part of the world using here everyone write down about cell phones and advantages of cell phone in your book.